Good morning, all. This is my research paper groupthink argument analysis. Bit of a mouthful here. So, I actually had a theoretical argument of linguistics. Will there be a difference between one researcher and multiple researchers in the terms of words they use and pattern recognition? Will that be a thing my model can pick up on and really determine if there's more than one author? So on this journey, I went and scraped 41,000 links, used a VPN because Ardix kicked me out a bunch of times. I converted PDF to text with 50% conversion rate. In the end, I was able to grab 14,000 CS-related AI, mostly AI-related papers, and I removed the bottoms of the acknowledgements and escape words, and I TF vectorized. So in my PCA k-means analysis, I started with determining what principal components had the most information loss, and so I wanted to pick 3, but I wasn't able to get 3 dimensions in this round. But I used the elbow method, and I chose 3 clusters. So you can see these 3 clusters here. There's the black dots are single authored papers. We have on the top left words, sentences, and NLP related machine learning principles. You can see the word corpus is, so there's word analyzation, and on the right we have image recognition, and on the bottom there's theoretical concepts and theorems. It seems like there's a little bit more on the left and bottom for single researchers. So there probably will be a pattern. My model will be able to try its best to determine how single researchers differ. So this was my model. I tried random forest and other models. I tried another one, but this one was naive Bayes that beat my baseline model at the over the ROC curve the best. I needed to oversample so that my model was the performing the best and also not overfitting. And so I chose the ROC curve because my model continuously overfit. As you can see on the left, there's a bigger hump on the positive rate. So it beat my model, and I kept the stop words, which improved my model. So these are the words on the left, on this left and this left here, that goes from most changing my model in terms of my model thinks that you were basically more than one author, and this one is you were single author. Next steps, I definitely think I want to do 3D PC analysis. Never graphed in 3 dimensions before. I want to add more information to my database and scrape the citation rates for these articles from Google Scholar, if they'll allow me to. So I want to definitely see what more about the clusters. The words that I presented to you guys were the most pulling towards each end. So I want to see what the average of those articles and those words are in those 3 clusters that I had in my PCA analysis. And last but not least, collect more data from other fields and really see if we can determine if an article had one or more authors. So thank you so much for your time, and have a great day.